Once upon a time, in the quaint town of Sibulan, nestled in the heart of the Philippines, stood the majestic St. Anthony of Padua Parish, affectionately known as the Sibulan Church. Its history, like a tapestry woven with threads of faith and resilience, tells a tale of endurance against the ravages of time and war. In 1838, Father Mateo Saplad laid the foundation of the first wooden church. But fate dealt a cruel hand when fire consumed it in 1854, leaving behind only ashes and memories. Undeterred, the community rallied together and the construction of a new brick church commenced in the 1860s. But the shadows of adversity loomed large as World War II brought destruction, reducing the sturdy structure to rubble. Yet, from the ashes arose a phoenix of hope as the resilient spirits of the faithful guided the rebuilding efforts. In 1953, the present-day church, a testament to endurance and faith, graced the skyline of Sibulan. The church, a masterpiece of Romanesque architecture, embraced visitors with its arched entryway and rose window, a symbol of divine grace. St. Anthony, born in Lisbon, Portugal, and immortalized in Padua, Italy, was a beacon of light in a world shrouded in darkness. Canonized within a year of his death, he became a symbol of hope and miracles, known for his intercession in finding lost items and lost souls. In 1946, Pope Pius XIII bestowed upon him the title of Doctor of the Church, recognizing his profound theological insights and teachings that continue to inspire generations. Present day, the St. Anthony of Padua Parish in Sibulan continues to stand tall, welcoming both locals and tourists alike. Its beauty and historical significance have made it a cherished landmark in the town, drawing people from far and wide to marvel at its grandeur. The church serves as a constant reminder of the resilience and unwavering faith of the community. It stands as a testament to their ability to rise above adversity and rebuild, no matter how many times they are knocked down. So, let us take a moment to appreciate the beauty and significance of the St. Anthony of Padua Parish in Sibulan, a true testament to the enduring power of faith and the indomitable spirit of the human heart.